Welcome, gentlemen. I know building out a winter capsule wardrobe sounds very overwhelming. So to simplify this, we're going to build this wardrobe off of 5 sweaters and 1 hoodie. Then as I introduce each outfit, we'll introduce as complementary pieces that's going to build out the wardrobe. And I'm going to share with you guys a variety of outfits for each one of those sweaters, ranging from casual to slightly more elevated. As always, I'll have those items linked into the show notes for you. So any items or outfits that you might like, you can just go click and buy. Now let's not confuse a capsule wardrobe with a minimalist wardrobe. In a minimalist wardrobe, you're talking a handful of items that can only make a few outfits. Think of a uniform much like Steve Jobs' black mock neck turtleneck or Mark Zuckerberg's gray t-shirt. High quality, but limited options. Whereas in a capsule wardrobe, we're talking 20 to 30 pieces that can make a limitless number of outfits, simply by focusing on solids and neutral colors. Now let's get started with the first outfit that we're going to start building out this wardrobe. And it's a light gray cashmere sweater. We're going to start this off with blue corduroy pants, pair it with black dress Chelsea boots. For our outerwear, we'll put on a charcoal pea coat. And to add just a little bit of flair, we'll do a blue newsboy hat. Now to elevate that outfit, we'll change out the corduroy pants for charcoal trousers from Suit Supply. We'll keep the black Chelsea dress boots, but we'll also elevate the outerwear by putting on a charcoal overcoat. And for some winter accessories, let's throw on a gray scarf and black leather gloves. This is a great outfit for a slightly elevated holiday event. Now let's bring this back down to a casual outfit. Let's throw on medium blue slim cut jeans. We'll pair them with white Ivory minimal sneakers. We'll throw on a charcoal wool bomber from Mango. Then for those colder rainy days, we can switch it to a black thin puffer from Calvin Klein. Now I live in the desert Southwest, so I don't need a large puffer jacket. I can get away with this slim puffer, but if you do live in colder climate weather, feel free to go with a thicker puffer jacket, but stay away from bright fluorescent colors or anything with loud logos. You want that jacket to be minimal. Now moving on to the next sweater, we're going to do an Ivory merino wool sweater. We'll start the first outfit with indigo blue jeans from Diesel. We'll throw on some brown lace-up boots from Thursday Boot Company. And for our outer layer, we'll put on this corduroy shacket. Now for the colder days, we can switch that shacket for a faux shearling bomber from Calvin Klein. And again, to add a little bit of flair, let's throw on this brown newsboy hat. Now if we want to elevate that sweater in the next outfit, we're going to switch out the pants for sand-colored trousers from Suit Supply, some suede tassel loafers from Anthony Veer, and we'll also elevate the outerwear with this camel-colored overcoat. For our winter accessories, let's throw on this beige scarf and brown leather gloves. Now let's jump right into the third sweater, which is going to be a burgundy merino wool turtleneck. We'll start the first outfit with dark denim blue jeans from Ralph Lauren, black Chelsea dress boots, and then for the outerwear, we'll put on this black leather jacket from Thursday Boot Company. Now in the next outfit, let's elevate this outfit by doing a 3-color combination outfit. We're going to start with light gray trousers, suede tassel loafers, and the third color we're going to put is a blue herringbone blazer. Then to bring it all together, we'll add this pocket square with a little bit of color. This is a great outfit for an elevated holiday event, like an orchestra candlelight concert. Now on the next sweater, we're going to stick with the turtleneck, but we're going to do a beige merino wool turtleneck. Let's start with a little bit of a casual outfit with medium blue straight cut jeans from Lucky Jean Company. We'll pair it with brown oil tanned Chelsea boots. Then we'll throw on this faux suede waterproof shacket. And then let's cover that head from the elements with this beige beanie. Now in the second outfit, we're going to keep that shacket, but elevate it by switching out the trousers. We're going to throw on high-waisted charcoal trousers and those suede tassel loafers from Anthony Veer. What I wanted you to see is that this one shacket could be worn in a casual outfit and into an elevated outfit. Now moving on to the fifth sweater, we're going to do a thick wool brown sweater. Now in both of these outfits, we're going to wear denim, but I want to show you how simply by putting on black denim, you just elevate that outfit just a bit. So in the first outfit, we're going to start with indigo blue jeans from Diesel. We'll throw on the brown lace-up boots from Thursday Boot Company. Then if you want to elevate that outfit for something a little bit more dressy, then you just have to switch out the blue jeans for the black jeans and then put on the black dress Chelsea boots. Now in the final piece, I want to show you how you can elevate even a hoodie. We're going to start with medium blue jeans, those white Ivory minimalist sneakers. Then we're going to throw on a camel colored overcoat. A little bit of casual with an edge. Then just elevating that hoodie by switching out the jeans for gray flannel trousers from Ralph Lauren. We'll keep the minimal sneakers, then we'll switch out the overcoat for a gray wool bomber from Mango. This is a great traveling outfit. We don't always have to resort to sweats and joggers. These pants and tennis shoes are comfortable enough to travel for the holidays. There you go, gentlemen. We put together 15 outfits with those 6 sweaters. And truth be told, we could have put together countless more. In fact, the sweater that I'm wearing today with the chambray shirt, I don't even have in the list. But these 2 combinations alone could make 5 or 6 plus outfits. But then we're going to be here all day. So let's just get started with the baseline that I provided in this video. Then as you're building out your wardrobe, if you guys have any questions, you're welcome to message me in the comments and I'll be happy to continue helping you build out your wardrobe. Now New Year's Eve is right around the corner and I cannot tell you how many men I see butcher the tuxedo look. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys the do's and don'ts when wearing a tuxedo. And this is a big one. I'm going to show you guys how to tie your own bow tie. So that way you don't have to look like that high school kid at a senior prom with a clip-on tie. Thanks again guys and see you in the next one.